Welcome guys to another video. Today I'm going to the construction site to supply construction materials. Let's go together. Please, if you haven't liked or if you haven't subscribed to our YouTube video, please make sure to hit that red button and please subscribe, leave a comment, share and give us a like. Let's go to the construction site. Let me go and show you what I do. You are all welcome, and if you are a returning subscriber, please, you are welcome, and feel free to share the video with your friends. Feel welcome every time. You are welcome always. I am driving to the construction site whereby I will be delivering, hey, Kizungu yawa. I will be delivering materials, ballast, sand. Yeah, those are the things that I will be delivering today. Here I'm on the highway heading to the site. I'm along Kangundo Road. Those in Kenya knows Kangundo Road. I'm in the estate now. I just drove inside the estate where the construction work is going on. Look at those houses, guys. See how beautiful the houses are here. See those trees, guys. The environment is so cool, so cool. Beautiful houses. It's a very beautiful estate with beautiful houses and beautiful people too. Guys, please remember to like, share and subscribe. Please show us some love. Please leave us a comment down below. Yeah, I'm almost to the site, and here I am. That's the site. I just arrived. This is the site where I will be supplying materials to. This is sand. The sand truck has already arrived at the site. That's the sand. Those in Nairobi knows the sand is used together with cement so that you can lay the blocks. Another truck is coming. Another truck of sand is coming. Here the customer had ordered 2 trucks of sand. And here they yell. Here I'm saying hi to my driver. Today ballast was also coming. There's also a truck of ballast behind. There it is. Now that one has finished offloading. So we want that truck of ballast or aggregate. Those in abroad call it aggregate, but in Kenya we call it ballast. They are small quarry chips. We wanted to to offload the ballast in the site. That's me. This is the truck that carries ballast. If you like what we do or what I do, please give us a like, leave us a thumb up. You can also share the video with your friends. He is reversing so that he can offload the ballast in the right position where the customer wants it, where the client wants it. And guys, we just got stuck. We got stuck. So he must be pulled using this other truck. We got stuck in the mud. Even before we offloaded, we got stuck in the mud. Yeah, we are just being pulled. They are just being pulled from the mud by the other truck. Yeah, we are. The truck is out. You can see the truck is out from the mud. Now we are off-roading the second truck. Guys, this is the guy who taught me how to drive a truck. I'm telling him to come and say hi. He is the guy who taught me how to drive a truck. He is a truck driver. A very good-hearted guy. Now we are off-roading the ballast, guys. Please like our video. Give us a thumb up, please. We beg you. Leave us a comment. There's still another truck of ballast that is coming, but I will not wait for it because it's a bit far.